Okay guys, now we're gonna make some burgers, small baby burgers, and we're gonna add some, I sauteed some spinach with the fresh garlic, olive oil, butter, and we're gonna put them in there like this. Okay, then we add some cheddar cheese, just like this. And we're trying to close it. Okay, just like a empanada, a mini empanada, meat empanada. Okay. Okay, so baby spinach meat empanada. So we're gonna dip it in the egg. Okay. Now I don't want to waste my cheese, contaminate. So I'm gonna dip it. Okay, I just dusted one piece with the Parmesan, and we're gonna put them in a air fryer. Here's, I'm gonna make you another one. So you open up like a little hole inside, like this, and we put some spinach. Then we add some cheddar cheese. Then we're gonna fold them in and wanna create a mini empanada. So I call these spinach meat empanada. Okay, so now we're gonna dip him in a egg wash, okay, like this. And then we do dust them with the Parmesan. The reason is so it will get nice and crunchy, crusty outside. It will give us a crust outside the meat. And then you can, I'll show you later, when you cut them after cook, you can put a tomato marinara sauce over. That'll give you a nice snack for your parties. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you after I put them in the oven, and then we'll come back once we finish. Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle some olive oil, and then we're gonna put them in the air fryer. Okay, it's going in. Hot, hot, hot. Okay guys, it's 375, 380 for 10 minutes. And then we'll flip them over and then I'll show you. Okay guys, we're checking in. Let's see it. Let's see it. Oh no, our empanadas. We're gonna flip them over. Look. Very nice. I like it. And then another 5 minutes, guys. Ready or not? Okay, here's our empanada. And this is still keto. Remember, no dough. No dough. Mmm.